Fox News alert on this dangerous storm targeting the East Coast. Hurricane Florence rapidly gaining strength, aiming for a potential direct hit to the Carolinas just days from now. Officials urging people from South Carolina to Virginia to be ready.
We need to prepare now in order to react should we be threatened by the landfall.
Make your plans now. If you have pretend, assume, presume that a major hurricane is going to hit right smack dab in the middle of South Carolina and may go way inshore.
Senior meteorologist Janice Dean is live in the Fox Extreme Weather Center to prepare us. What's coming, Janice?
Well, listen, if you live in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, even the Delmarva, you need to pay close attention to your local authorities, your local officials, because we're going to have evacuations. And certainly this is going to be one of the biggest storms, if not the biggest storm that North Carolina has ever experienced. Also want to point attention to the fact that we have Isaac. This is a hurricane. We also have Helene and we have Florence, but we're going to have to watch Isaac going into the Caribbean for the next couple of days. So having said that, let's take a look at Florence, our imminent threat. And the last few frames of that satellite imagery, you can see a very, very well-defined eye, and we see, the symmetry with this storm. I mean, the cloud tops are very prominent here displayed. So I think as we get into the 11 a.m. advisory, this is going to be a major hurricane. It is going through what we call rapid intensification. It's going to drop 24 millibars in 24 hours, and that means we're probably going to have a Category 4 on our hands this time tomorrow. We do anticipate a landfall Thursday, Friday as a major hurricane, as a Category 4. The last time a Category 4 moved into North Carolina was 1954 Hazel. Residents will tell you they remember that storm. This could be stronger than that. And as we go through time, Thursday into Friday, it's going to weaken, but it's also going to stall. So the potential for catastrophic rainfall on top of storm surge and hurricane force winds around the center of this storm is going to be imminent Thursday and Friday. So here are our tropical models. I want to show you the latest guidance over the next couple of days. Remember, we're 3 to 4 days out. So, the guidance is 100 to 200 miles north or south of this is possible. So again, this is the center of the storm, but we're going to feel the effects of this well along the coast. And if this storm stalls and maybe moves a little bit more to the north, I'm going to be concerned for the Delmarva. So you need to pay attention. We think it's going to be a North Carolina landfall, although the impacts are going to be felt well away from North Carolina, South Carolina, up towards Virginia, the Virginia's north, the Delmarva, and then inland. And the water temperatures, Bill and Sandra, enough to at least support a major hurricane or strengthen it. We are betting right now on a Category 4 making landfall Thursday, Friday, North Carolina, but again, widespread effects. And if you're dealing with over 2 feet of rainfall, that is going to be potentially catastrophic, life-threatening.
Take this warning. Janice Dean, thank you.
You got it.
See you again soon.